Guys, today I'm going to try to show you how to bake Unity lighting data into unlit shader. Why do we need this? Because unlit shader does not cover any lighting data, and we lose lighting data in this shader. But this is also the fastest shader of Unity. It's a simple line of code, especially for performance reasons. For example, for mobile platforms, we need to use fast shaders. Okay, and here we can see a comparison of simple disk shader with unlit shader. I am already baked a light map into this rocket track. I am changing it to unlit shader, and you can see we are losing a lot of details info here. And you must be careful about generating light map UVs for the mesh that you are going to bake light method data, because we are going to use both of the UVs in the blender. Okay, now I am going to export this mesh to using export to SPX component. If you don't have this one, you can easily install it using package manager. I'm going to use a folder, extract 3, and export format must be binary. ASCII format does not support by Blender, and I am including only models, not animations, and exporting this mesh. Okay. Also, we need to export this lighting data. I'm clicking on it. It opens the texture. I am showing it in Explorer and copying it and pasting it in our folder. Okay. Now we can switch to Blender. I am going to create a new one, delete all the existing things, and going to import the FBX. Okay. We can switch to materialized view. Here we are. And the important thing is here is the UV maps. We should have two UV maps here, one for diffuse data and one for lighting data. And I'm going to create a new UV map, going to name it UV new, and create an UV editor. Switch to edit mode, select all, press U, and select Smart UV project and unwrap. Okay. Now we are. Be careful. You should select UV new that we have just created. Okay. Now I'm switching to shader editor. Here we are going to try to simulate the simple lit shader of Unity. Okay. This is our diffuse map. I'm going to specialize the UV. This is UV set 0. and I'm going to import the lighting data, lighting image, open it, and yeah, and also specify the UV map. Remember, UV set 0 is our lighting data. And for simulating the simple lit shader, we are going to import a mixed color component here. We are going to select multiply and specify the factor. Higher factor means uh, more details. Okay, and now I'm going to import our color outputs into this mix shader component, and going to let's check the result what we have. Yeah, here we have, you can see the details of the lighting data. Okay, and now we are going to create a new image texture that we are going to bake our lighting data also. And for UV map, I am going to use the UV map just we created. Okay, and we need to select the cycles for render engine. I'm going to set some baked options. Here we should select diffuse, deselect, and select only color, and create a new image, baked light data. I don't need alpha. It's created. Okay. Important thing is you should select that and select the mesh also, and we can start baking process. It's gonna take some time. I'm going to come again. After baking has been completed, we have the uh, image texture with light map data included, and let's check the result. Yeah, here we have the our mesh, our rocket launcher with our image texture with lighting data included in it. Okay, now we can uh, export our meshes and images into Unity. Here I have already done it. I have included this track taken from Blender. I have, let me show that I have exported the mesh. I am selected only selected objects and mesh and FBX unit scale. This is imported. Otherwise, your scaling is changes versus Unity. Yes, exported it, and also we have saved our bacon light data. And now I have a rocket track. Let me delete and show them again. Show you again. Yes, this is this comes with a default material, but I don't want that material, so I can exclude it. Okay, now we can create a new material with unlit shader. Unlit shader with our already the texture which includes our lighting data. Yeah, and here now we have unlit shader, and with lighting data included in it, you can see it here. And this is the normal unlit shader. You can see it does not include any detail. Now we should have the same result with simple lit shader. And yes, this is it. And thanks you for watching, guys. And see you in next video.